So we're here in Eritrea and the kids just love playing and taking pictures with us. So funny, there's so many of them. So far, I'm quite surprised about Eritrea. It's super clean. Everyone is very, very friendly and welcoming. So we're walking up to the highest point of Asmara to see the whole city from above. The only way to get there is through a cemetery. So we're at the spice market. It's so much pepper that I can barely breathe. So many chiles, garlic, onion. It all smells really nice, but this makes me cough. So we're entering the tanks graveyard and buses graveyard and everything else. Finding abandoned objects that we don't know how they got here, like a German bus, like a plane that could have been possibly shut down, and a lot of cars, tanks, and other interesting things. And we were told that the only thing we couldn't take photos and videos of are the containers right there. So I'm really curious what's inside. So we're exploring an old Fiat building. But it's not missionaries, so there are little humans sitting over there. They're gonna set it up for us. Just outside of Asmara. Film much of the train because I'm really so excited to get off a train. Super dirty, but you should do it once and that's it. So today we're exploring the town of Massawa at the Red Sea. It's really beautiful so far and not too sunny. Well, some people will disagree with my not too sunny weather statement, but that's okay. So we came to the beach in Massawa and everyone was pretty much enjoying their food for lunch. There was an even photogenic camel here on the beach and the water is as hot as a soup. So this beautiful island right here is also Eritrea because the country has access to the Red Sea, which is absolutely beautiful, full of dolphins, coral reefs and fish. But it's not easy to get here because for every place outside of Asmara, the capital of Eritrea, you need a special permit. And these permits are often being denied. Our group got denied to go to 2 places outside of Asmara for no reason because they never tell you why you're denied. But finally we got a permit to come here, which I'm super happy about. Unlike my other videos, I decided to do an intro to this one at the end of my stay. Simply because when I got here, I had no idea what I was going to encounter. And even though my whole stay was wonderful, you know, the city of Asmara was clean, the people are very welcoming, it did not show me what's actually going on in the country. When I wander off on my own and talk to people who are willing to talk to me and open up, I was finding out that something that my guide told me or something that I saw and was introduced to wasn't exactly the truth. So while Eritrea can be great for tourism because, as some people in my group even mentioned, it's a little pearl of Africa, looks like Italy and it's wonderful and people speak English, the situation of these people that speak English and are welcoming is very sad. As you can imagine, the national service is unlimited and they can keep you there for as long as they want. During this community service, people get paid about 1,000 nakfa per month. To compare, a simple bottle of water in a shop, not for tourists, for locals, costs about 20 nakfa. So how long is 1,000 nakfa gonna last? 80% of people are unhappy, and while you can't see it as a tourist because everyone is happy, people can do as much as they can do, they enjoy their life, but it doesn't mean that they're actually happy here.